So you've been running Meta ads and no sales, no revenue, leave alone even leads. So there's a high chance that your problem is the design of your creative. It could be an image, it could be a video. So let's solve your design problem, which is what is affecting your sales and revenue, which you're trying to achieve by running Meta ads. How do we solve that? Using Ndovesha AI. It creates high converting ad images or videos, whichever you want to use. So how to get started? You go to ndovesha.ai and sign up or sign in if you have an account. For me, I have an account. I'm actually already logged in. So I come here, I choose there's several agents, social media post, landing page, whatever. So for me, I want an ad image. So I have my company here called Top Haven Real Estate. And I wanted to create an ad image for me to push our property. So I tell it, create. So I tell it, create for me a meta ad image for the following real estate company, Top Haven. Colors, I give it the colors, navy blue, font K2D. And then I hit let's go, because for real estate, I just want it to communicate the uniqueness of, let it come up with something to pull in people. It could be whichever marketing angle it's going to pick, let me see, but I need something striking. And the agent abstracts that, it takes now that and figures out what can I give this guy to make sure their property goes. So it's doing all that. It's actually processing it, telling me, picking the details, trying to understand my offer, my product and whatever, and giving me. So it's actually finalizing. So in a few seconds, we're going to have our image, and I'm telling you for free, I have used these images to run ads and they're converting like crazy. So you actually need to give it a try. There's some free credits that you can you get when you sign up. So Ndovesha.ai, that's where you sign up. So we have our image here. Find your dream home with Top Haven. Discover exclusive listings and expert guidance. Then it does a very good image of a property here, and with a very clear call to action, explore now. And then on the top end, they are said top rated. That's a social proof authority. So it figures you what you really need and it puts everything together. So Ndovesha.ai, sign up, get started, and you will not regret. Keep me accountable on those words.